Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please go and subscribe and press the notification bell. So let's get started. In today's video, I am going to show you the butterfly ring which I have ordered from the Raz, and the parcel just came to me and I am just unboxing it with you guys. So this is how the parcel looks. So I am just showing you my shiny nails. I have applied a shiner on it, that's why these are shining a lot. So let's just crack my parcel open and see what's inside it. This is how the parcel looks from outside. Very decent packaging. This parcel basically came from China and it cost me 669 rupees. So I was really waiting for this parcel because I was waiting for the butterfly ring for so long. I have just placed order on the Raz 11/11 sale. So now let's just open it and see the butterfly ring. So I've just opened it from back side and now I am taking out the butterfly ring. So guys, as you guys can see, this is how the butterfly ring looks. Firstly, I was really happy to see the butterfly ring because it's so beautiful and I was really happy to see it. I ordered it in rose gold color. So nowadays rose gold color is my favorite. So that's why I pick up such kind of things which have rose gold color in it. So this is looking just fab. So guys, tell me in comments that did you like this ring or does it worth its price? Its price was 669 rupees after adding the delivery charges. So guys, I was really happy that my ring is coming out of country. So guys, if you want to order something from Daraz, make sure that firstly you have to read that it is in Pakistan or in another country, because nowadays Daraz has option of Pakistan and China country. You can order from Pakistan as well as from China. So now I am explaining you the butterfly stones. These are very well attached on the butterfly. They will not fall off. I would appreciate them who has made this is so beautiful butterfly guys. Literally I am obsessed with it and it shines like literally a diamond. I don't know that in video it's not showing that much, but it's really beautiful. So there are the curves on the side of ring so that it can be adjustable for any size. So now I am just going to show you the shine of it. It shines really well. And guys, if you guys are wondering and you want to order it from Daraz now. It is totally recommended from my side. So look how beautiful the butterfly ring is. So I'm just taking it into my hand and show it to you. Guys, it literally shines a lot. So guys, tell me in comments, did you like this and did you like the unboxing which I shared with you? So guys, this is not a sponsored video from Daraz, but I like this product a lot. That's why I'm sharing it with you. So guys, link is in description for this butterfly ring. So I have purchased it from 11/11 sale. That's why it costs me 669 rupees. But nowadays 12/12 there is 12/12 sale is also there. So you can go there and check that out. So guys, here I am just showing you the shine of this ring. Guys, literally it shine like a diamond. I was really happy to see this. When I unboxed it, I was really happy. And this is how it looks in my hand. Oh my god, my nails are shining a lot. This is just due to the shiner. I will show it to you in next video that which shiner I had applied. So guys, this is the box in which I keep this butterfly ring. Because I really like this butterfly ring, I had to keep it safe. So guys, if you guys really enjoyed this video, so like this video and share it with your friends. And do let me know in comment section which type of videos do you want me to share with you in future. Alhamdulillah, I have crossed 1.2k subscribers on my YouTube channel. So there is my Facebook page. Go and follow that also. Link is in description. And I'm also there on Snack Video. So check that out and open the link. I'll see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.